Let's have a look at the alternative question. Joy Clinic opening hours are as shown below. How long is the clinic open in a week that has no public holidays? Here we are given 4 options and the opening hours of Joy Clinic. The first key point is that we have to find how long the clinic is open. We have to find the opening hours in a week that has no public holidays. So now we can solve the question by referring to the opening hours of Joy Clinic. Let's start off by drawing a timeline with 1-hour intervals. The timeline should include the earliest hour that Joy Clinic is open and the latest hour that Joy Clinic is open. So we draw a timeline from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. First, let's find out the opening hours on a weekday, that is Monday to Friday. The first interval is 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. When we mark this in the timeline, we get 4 hours. Looking at the opening hours, we know that the clinic is closed from 12:30 to 1:30. So let's mark that as closed. Now let's move on to the second interval on the weekdays. It is 1:30 p.m. to 4:45 p.m. 1:30 to 4:30 is 3 hours. 4:30 to 4:45 p.m. is 15 minutes. So the total time that Joy Clinic is open on weekdays would be 4 hours plus 3 hours plus 15 minutes, and this gives us 7 hours and 15 minutes. So with this, let's calculate the total time that Joy Clinic will be open from Monday to Friday. It will be 5 days times 7 hours and 15 minutes because there are a total of 5 weekdays and on each weekday it is open for 7 hours and 15 minutes. This gives us 35 hours and 75 minutes. We do the multiplication with the hours first to get 35 hours and then we do it with the minutes to get 75 minutes. Now this will be 35 hours plus 1 hour and 15 minutes because 75 minutes is equal to 1 hour and 15 minutes. So we get 36 hours and 15 minutes. This is the total amount of time that the clinic is open on weekdays. Now let's move on to find how many hours it will be open on Saturdays. On Saturdays, the clinic is open from 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. From our timeline, we know that this is 4 hours. So on Saturdays, the clinic will be open for 4 hours. With this, we can calculate the total time that the clinic is open for 1 week. 1 week includes all the weekdays, Saturday and Sunday. The clinic is closed on Sundays, and we also know that in this particular week there are no public holidays. So the total time will be 36 hours plus 15 minutes plus 4 hours. This gives us 4 hours and 15 minutes, which will be option 3.